in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate a member on your Slack account. So if you want to see a list of deactivated accounts on your Slack workspace and then activate them, I'm just going to show you a step-by-step process of doing this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign into your Slack account, and then from here go ahead and click on the drop down arrow next to your Slack account, and then from here go ahead and choose tools and settings. Now under it, go ahead and find manage members, and this will go ahead and list all members that are on your Slack workspace. From here you can see I have this list of 3 members in total, and one of the account is inactive. To activate it, just head over to the 3 dots next to the inactive account and then click on it, and you can see we have an option to activate account, and you can also delete the account. For my case, I want to activate the account, so I'll click on activate account. Before you activate, go ahead and choose the account type. I'd like to restore it to the previous type, regular member, so I'll choose regular member, or you can change to multi-channel guest or single channel guest as you wish. So I'll go ahead and click on save, and now you can see this account is now active. So that's how you can activate an inactive account in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.